put boogers on the wall.
Did you invite this person into your home?
Yes, but I didn't give him permission to put boogers on the wall.